Greetings everyone. Today we will discuss about microbial growth curve. We will discuss as per the PCI syllabus. This is Unit 1 of B Pharmacy 3rd semester. Growth of microorganisms occur exponentially. That means number of microorganisms are doubled within specific period of time. Say time taken by microorganism to double is t, then within each t period microorganism will double. That is 1 will become 2 within t period, 2 will become 4 within t period, and 4 and 8 will become 16 in t period. That is the time period required is same for each case of doubling. However, growth does not occur entirely in this manner. When a fresh culture media is inoculated, it follows a generalized normal growth cycle which is depicted in this curve. So, during the process of bacterial cultivation, if we plot logarithmic number of bacteria versus arithmetic number of time, then we get a characteristic curve called growth curve. That is, we inoculate a culture media and counting of time starts. So number of bacteria is plotted in one axis, the log number. If number is 20, log 20 is plotted in one axis and the time is plotted in another axis. Then we will get a characteristic curve like this one. Initially growth does not occur, then rapid growth occurs, then like this, and then growth falls. So this is called growth curve. It has 4 zones. This growth curve has 4 zones: lag phase, log phase or exponential phase, and stationary phase, declining phase or death phase. Now we will discuss each phase individually. Lag phase. This phase is the initial phase. That is, immediately after inoculation, growth does not occur because in this phase microorganism prepare itself for rapid growth. In this time they adjust to the new environment and new type of nutrients. In this period they synthesize essential proteins and enzymes which are required for their growth. So lag phase, new cell formation does not occur or minimal formation of cell occurs. Then lag phase is followed by log phase or exponential, this portion, from here to here. So in this phase what happens? This is the second phase of growth. In this phase rapid growth occurs. So microorganism has prepared its protein enzymes required for the growth and they utilize resources present in the culture media and rapid growth occurs. That is the number is doubled, as I described earlier. Number is doubled each time. That is 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes 16, 32 becomes 64 likewise. That is the exponential growth occurs. Microorganism number is doubled within a particular time. This time is denoted as generation time. So time interval through which existing microorganisms are doubled is called generation time. It is expressed as this: G equal to T by N. That is, T is the total time and N is the number of generations. Then third phase is stationary phase. In this phase, no further increase of microorganism occurs. What happens in this phase? Due to growth of the microorganism, all the nutrients are exhausted. All the nutrients are utilized. Moreover, microorganisms, due to their growth, they produce numerous toxic metabolites. So what happens? There is also increase in death rate, that is microorganism formation or microorganism form equally, they also die. So effective number of live microorganism does not increase this period. This place you see here growth is occurring, but along with growth death is also occurring. So log phase no growth was also, see this is stationary phase is also parallel to this line, and lag phase is also parallel to this line. But what happens in this phase, number of microorganisms does not occur because number of formation of new cells is equal to number of death of cells. But here formation of cell does not occur. So this is stationary phase. Next is declining phase. In this phase what happens? The number of microorganism falls. This is the death phase. Number of microorganism falls here. Why? Here number of new cell formation is less than the number of cell death. So that is why decline, effective number of cells decreases. Here, so this is the log phase. Remember, that is the when the log number of living cell, viable count of the cell is taken. Living cells number, that is measured by suitable cell counting methods, and if it is a liquid culture media, the number of cells may be measured by turbidity. More cells, the more turbid is the solution. So log of living cells, that is the cell count by cell count, or log of turbidity of the cell. And along with that thing, the numerically the time is plotted here. If it is a fast growing culture, then we can plot it in minutes, and if it is a slow going culture, we can plot it in hours. So this is the log phase. So log phase, stationary phase and death phase. The total these four phase they form growth curve. I think you enjoyed the growth curve, and I thank you for watching.